बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग सारे खैरियत से होंगे। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हिस्ट्री क्लास 6 जो कि पंजाब टेक्स्ट बुक का नया कोर्स है, इसके यूनिट नंबर 1 की आज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे। तो इन क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में वो वाले क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स है जो किताब में दिए गए हैं, यानी यूनिट के आखिर में शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस। और इसके अलावा मैंने ख़ुद भी आप लोगों के लिए क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तैयार किए हैं, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो पहले वो वाले क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो किताब में दिए गए हैं यूनिट के आखिर में एक्सरसाइज में। तो इस यूनिट नंबर 1 का नाम है एंशंट सिविलाइजेशन, मेसोपोटामियन, इजिप्टियन, इंडस एंड चाइनीज़। तो पहले नंबर पे है शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, यानी गिव शॉर्ट आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। तो इसका आंसर है ए प्राइमरी सोर्स गिव्स फर्स्ट हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पास्ट सच एज टोल्स, कॉइन्स और old writings. A secondary source is based on primary sources like books or articles written later. Question number 2. Where is an archaeological site of Mehergarh? तो इसका आंसर है Mehergarh is an archaeological site located in Balochistan near the Bolan Pass. Question number 3. Who ordered to construct the Great Wall of China? तो इसका आंसर है द एम्परर कैन शी हांग ऑर्डर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ राइटिंग सिस्टम वाज यूज्ड इन इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। तो इसका आंसर है द पीपल ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन यूज्ड पिक्टोग्राफिक राइटिंग मेड अप ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड सिंबल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट वाज कोड ऑफ Hammurabi। तो इसका आंसर है द कोड ऑफ Hammurabi वाज ए सेट ऑफ रिटन लॉज मेड बाय किंग Hammurabi ऑफ बेबीलोन टू मेंटेन जस्टिस एंड ऑर्डर इन सोसाइटी। अच्छा, अब है जो किताब में दिए गए हैं वो है डिटेल्ड आंसर, यानी राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन डिटेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट ऑफ Mehergarh? Discuss. तो आंसर, Mehergarh is one of the oldest archaeological sites of South Asia. It is located in Balochistan near the Bolan Pass. Archaeologists found remains showing that people lived there about 7000 BCE. The people of Mehergarh were among the first to grow crops and domesticate animals. They built mud houses and made pottery tools and ornaments. They used simple farming methods and stored grains. Mehergarh shows the beginning of settled life in the region and is considered the foundation of later civilizations like the Indus Valley civilization. Question number 2. Highlight the major trade, architecture and occupations of Mesopotamians. तो इसका आंसर है The people of Mesopotamia lived between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, modern-day Iraq. They were good farmers and used irrigation for crops. Their main occupations included farming, pottery, weaving, metalwork, and trade. Mesopotamians built ziggurats, steep temples and mud brick houses, showing their skill in architecture. They traded goods like grains, cloth, and pottery with nearby regions such as Indus Valley, Egypt, and Persia. Their trade helped spread knowledge and culture to other civilizations. Question number 3. The river Nile has great importance in the development of ancient Egyptian civilization. Discuss. तो इसका आंसर है The river Nile was the lifeline of ancient Egypt. It provided water for drinking, farming, and transportation. Every year, the Nile flooded and left fertile soil on the land, which helped Egyptians grow crops like wheat and barley. The Nile also made travel and trade easier, connecting different parts of Egypt. Because of the Nile, people could settle, farm, and build cities, which led to the growth of Egyptian civilization. Without the Nile, Egypt would have remained a desert. Question number 4. Describe the social structure, religion, and scripts, etc. of Egyptian civilization. तो इसका आंसर है The Egyptian society had a clear social structure. अच्छा, Pharaoh, इसको बोलते Pharaoh was at the top, followed by priests, nobles, soldiers, farmers, and slaves. They believed in many gods such as Ra, sun god, and Osiris, god of the dead. They believed in life after death and built pyramids as tombs for their pharaohs. Acha. The Egyptians used a writing system called hieroglyphics, which included pictures and symbols. Their religion, art, and writing showed that they were a highly organized and spiritual civilization. Question number 5. Explain the importance of Indus in the establishment of huge settlements Mohenjo-daro and Harappa of Indus Valley civilization. Answer. The river Indus played a major role in the growth of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Its fertile plains helped people grow crops and settle permanently. The river provided water for agriculture, transport, and daily use. It also connected people for trade and communication. Because of the Indus, the region became a center of urban life, and large, well-planned cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa were developed with drainage systems, roads, and brick houses. Question number 6. Describe the characteristics of Indus Valley civilization: daily life, agriculture, trade, religion, script, economy, etc. Answer. The Indus Valley civilization was one of the earliest urban civilizations, about 2500 BCE. Daily life. People lived in well-planned cities with the straight roads, drainage, and brick houses. Agriculture. They grew wheat, barley, peas, and kept animals like cows and buffaloes. Trade. They traded cotton, cloth, jewelry, pottery, and metals with Mesopotamia and other regions. Religion. They worshipped nature and fertility gods, such as the mother goddess. Script. They used a pictographic script which is still undeciphered. Economy. Their economy was based on farming, trade, and handicrafts. The Indus people lived peacefully and were skilled builders and traders. Question number 7. Describe the basic characteristics of Chinese architecture, major trade, and occupations of the people. Answer. The people of ancient China were hardworking and skilled. Architecture. They built wooden houses, pagodas, and palaces with beautiful roofs and carvings. The most famous structure is the Great Wall of China, built for protection. Occupations. Most people were farmers growing rice, millet, and tea. Others worked as artisans, weavers, potters, and metal workers. Trade. The Chinese traded silk, tea, and pottery through the Silk Route, connecting China to other countries. Their art, inventions, and architecture show their advanced culture and creativity. Question number 8. Compare the Mesopotamian civilization with Indus Valley civilization. Answer. The comparison of Mesopotamian civilization with the Indus Valley civilization is compared as follow. अच्छा, यहाँ पे फीचर्स है और यहाँ पे मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन का जिक्र है और यहाँ पे पेरो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इसके साथ कंपैरिजन है मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन का. अच्छा, तो फीचर में पहले लोकेशन बिटवीन टिग्रिस एंड यूफ्रेटिस रिवर्स इराक, तो अलोंग रिवर्स इंडस पाकिस्तान. फिर दूसरे नंबर पे है राइटिंग यूनिफॉर्म स्क्रिप्ट। अच्छा, यहाँ पे है पिक्टोग्राफिक स्क्रिप्ट। अच्छा, आर्किटेक्चर में जिगरेट्स एंड मड ब्रिक हाउसेस, प्लानेट सिटीज विद ड्रेनेज सिस्टम। Economy, farming and trade with the nearby regions, farming, trade and crafts. Per है religion believed in many gods, believed in nature and the fertility gods. Society divided into classes or peaceful and well organized. Achievements, invention of wheel and writing, urban planning and sanitation. Both civilizations were ancient, advanced, and contributed greatly to human progress, especially in trade and city planning. अब है क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चंस, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चंस जो किताब के आखिर में दिए गए हैं, इस यूनिट के आखिर में दिए गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच एम्पायर existed before the Babylonian Empire in Mesopotamia? अच्छा, तो इसका आंसर है बिफोर द बेबीलोनियन एम्पायर द सुमेरियन एम्पायर existed in Mesopotamia. The Sumeris were the first people to build the cities and develop writing, laws and trade systems in this region. Question number 2, who was the real Tutankhamun, any pharaoh in ancient Egypt? Answer, Tutankhamun, also known as King Tut, was a young pharaoh of ancient Egypt. He became king when he was only about 9 years old and ruled for a short time. He is famous because his tomb was found complete with the treasures, giving historians great information about Egyptian life and burial customs. Question number 3, when were dead bodies first mummified? तो इसका आंसर है the process of mummification in Egypt began around 2600 BCE during the time of the Old Kingdom. The Egyptians believed in life after death, so they preserved bodies to keep them safe for the next world. Question number 4, was Cleopatra an Egyptian? Answer, no. Cleopatra was not ethnically Egyptian. She belonged to the Greek Ptolemaic dynasty, which ruled Egypt after the death of Alexander the Great. However, Cleopatra ruled Egypt as its queen and was known for her wisdom and strong leadership. Question number 5, what were two main cultures in Indus Valley? Answer. Answer. The two main cultures of the Indus Valley civilization were Harappan culture based on the city of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro culture based on the city of Mohenjo-daro. Both cultures had planned cities, drainage systems, and developed trade. Question number 6, what led to the end of Indus Valley civilization? Answer. The Indus Valley civilization ended due to natural and environmental reasons. Possible causes include floods, earthquakes, changes in the river's course, and decline in trade. These problems made life difficult and people left the cities. Question number 7, how did ancient China impact the world today? तो इसका आंसर है ancient China has greatly influenced the modern world. It gave the world many inventions such as paper, printing, gunpowder, and the compass. Chinese philosophy, art, and writing also continue to inspire cultures around the world today. अच्छा, अब है एक्स्ट्रा शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन। तो पहले नंबर पे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस ये मैंने खुद तैयार किए हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज मीन्ड बाय सिविलाइजेशन? तो इसका आंसर है ए सिविलाइजेशन इज एडवांस स्टेज ऑफ ह्यूमन सोसाइटी वेयर people live in organized cities, have systems of writing, laws, trade, and culture. Question number 2, where was Mesopotamia located? तो इसका आंसर है Mesopotamia was located between the Tigris and the Euphrates River in present-day Iraq. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट वाज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द मेसोपोटामियंस? तो इसका आंसर है द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ मेसोपोटामियन वाज फार्मिंग. दे आल्सो वर्कड एज ट्रेडर्स, क्राफ्ट्समैन एंड बिल्डर्स. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. अच्छा, what is the importance of the river Nile in Egyptian civilization? Answer: the river Nile provided fertile land, water for crops, and easy transport, which helped the Egyptian civilization to grow and survive. Question number 5. What was the script used by the Egyptians called? Answer: the script used by Egyptians was called uh, hieroglyphics. Question number 6. Name any two important cities of the Indus Valley civilization. Answer: two important cities were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Question number 7. What were the main occupations of the people of the Indus Valley civilization? Answer: their main occupations were farming, trading, pottery making, and metalwork. Question number 8. What was the purpose of the Great Wall of China? Answer: the Great Wall of China was built to protect China from northern invaders. Question number 9. Name any two important inventions of ancient China. तो इसका आंसर है ancient China invented paper and gunpowder. Question number 10. What did the Mesopotamians use to write? तो इसका आंसर है they used clay tablets and wrote with a reed stylus in a cuneiform script. Question number 11. अच्छा, what did Egyptians believe about life after death? Answer: they believed that the soul lived on after death, so they mummified bodies to preserve them for the next life. Question number 12. What materials did people of the Indus Valley use to build houses? Answer: they built their houses with baked bricks. अब है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जो मैंने खुद तैयार किए हैं, इनके क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स. तो बाकी भी जितने भी सवाल थे उनके आंसर्स मैंने खुद तैयार किए हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. डिस्क्राइब द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन. इसका आंसर है द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन डेवलप्ड बिटवीन द टिग्रिस एंड यूफ्रेटिस रिवर. It was one of the world's first civilizations. People practiced agriculture and trade. They built ziggurats, temples for worship. Their writing was called cuneiform. They made great progress in law, architecture, and mathematics. अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. एक्सप्लेन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द रिवर नाइल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एंशिएंट इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन. आंसर: द रिवर नाइल वाज द लाइफलाइन ऑफ इजिप्ट. इट मेड द लैंड फर्टाइल फॉर ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, प्रोवाइडेड वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग एंड फार्मिंग, was used for transport and trade, helped Egypt become a powerful and rich civilization. Without the Nile, Egypt would have been a desert. Question number 3. Describe the social structure and the religion of the Egyptian. Answer: the Egyptian society had a hierarchy. Number 1. Pharaoh king at the top, nobles and priests next, farmers, laborers, and slaves at the bottom. Their religion was polytheistic. They worshipped many gods like Ra, sun god, and Osiris, god of the afterlife. They believed in life after death and mummified bodies for it. Question number 4. Write a note on the Indus Valley civilization. Answer: the Indus Valley civilization was one of the earliest civilizations located along the Indus River in present-day Pakistan. Main cities were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Cities were well planned with drainage systems and brick houses. People were farmers, traders, and craftsmen. They traded with Mesopotamia. The civilization ended due to floods, climate changes, and a decline in trade. Question number 5. Explain the contributions of ancient China to the world. Answer: ancient China made many important contributions, invented paper, printing, compass, and gunpowder, built the Great Wall of China for defense, developed silk production and the Silk Road trade route introduced it's Confucianism and Taoism, which taught moral values and harmony. These contributions still influence the modern world today. Question number 6. Describe the main achievements of the Mesopotamian civilization. Answer. The Mesopotamian civilization made many important achievements that influenced later societies. Writing system. They developed one of the first writing system called cuneiform, written on clay tablets using a reed stylus. It helped them keep records of trade, laws, and daily life. Law and government. King Hammurabi of Babylon introduced the famous Code of Hammurabi, one of the earliest written law codes in history. These laws helped maintain justice and order in society. Architecture and engineering. They built ziggurats, which were tall temples dedicated to their gods. They also designed strong city walls and a drainage system. Mathematics and astronomy. Mesopotamians developed a number system based on 60, which we still use today for measuring time, 60 seconds, 60 minutes. They also studied stars and planets for calendars and agriculture. In short, Mesopotamians laid the foundation of modern writing, law, and science. Question number 7. How did ancient civilization influence modern human life? तो इसका आंसर है Ancient civilization greatly influenced how we live today. Many modern ideas and systems come from them. Writing and communication. The Mesopotamians and Egyptians developed early forms of writing. This helped later society to record history and knowledge. Number 2, architecture and urban planning. The Indus Valley civilization introduced planned cities, straight roads, and drainage system, ideas still used in modern cities. Number 3, science and technology. Ancient China gave the world paper, printing, gunpowder, and the compass, which changed global progress. Law and governance. The Code of Hammurabi in Mesopotamia inspired modern legal systems that ensure justice and fairness. Religion and philosophy. The Egyptians believed in moral life and the afterlife. The Chinese taught moral values through uh, Confucius- Confucianism, which still guides societies today. Therefore, ancient civilization built the foundation of modern culture, science, law and urban life that continue to shape our record. तो ये थे यूनिट नंबर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इनमें वो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स शामिल थे शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग, जो यूनिट के आखिर में दिए गए थे। और इनके अलावा मैंने खुद अपनी तरफ से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन बनाए थे, इनके आंसर्स अच्छे तरीके से, और कोशिश की थी कि जितने भी इनके आंसर्स बनते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मैं शॉर्ट करूं। तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों को पसंद आए होंगे। अच्छा, अगर ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लोगों को PDF फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे रहा हूँ, इस पे डायरेक्ट आप लोग मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं। लेकिन PDF फॉर्मेट में मांगने से पहले आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा। ये छोटा सा काम है जो आप लोगों ने करना होगा। तो इंशाल्लाह फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये जितने भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है ये सारे PDF फॉर्मेट में आप लोगों को भेज दूंगा। तो इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट यूनिट यानी यूनिट नंबर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।